What's that? Unboxing of what? Kanino yan? Kay Papa yan? Oh, you open it. What's inside?
PS5. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Check.
Check.
Huwag ikaw ano, tagilid ka kasi binibidyo ko. Bebe, masira yung box.
PS5.
Ewan ko ba kay Papa mo? What's inside?
Collection.
Collection?
Wow. Pag ganyan.
What's inside?
PS5. Wow.
Wow, ang ganda Papa ng design pala. Kung ano yung box, yun din yung ano.
Limitation.
Ganyan
lang.
Bebe, Bebe, borrow si Mami ng joystick. Let me see the joystick. Wow. It's so nice. The joystick is so nice. Okay. Papa, again, let me see. Let me show, show it.
Tapos na.